Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at our weekly spot. We are back at the pub, about to get into some really good deals that you can do this week. And you know how we do around here. We're not going to waste any time. So let's jump right into them. So when you're coming into Publix this week, you actually want to make a $1 donation up at the front. You could just buy this alone with a $1 donation, because you want to get this $2 coupon and this $1 coupon. We're going to use that a little bit later for the Sara Lee, but you definitely want to get this $2 coupon for the Brawny this week. So what you want to do is pick up 2 of these Brawny this week. These are buy one, get one for $14.79, or if you live in a half BOGO state, you can just pick up 1. So I'm going to do a transaction picking up 1, then I may do another transaction picking up 2. If you pick up 2, you're going to want to print off the $1.50 printable coupons that you can get when you sign up on the Brawny site. So if you live in a half BOGO state and you just want to pick up 1 of these, the total for that 1 will be $7.39. You want to use your $2 digital coupon plus your $2 store coupon that I just showed you from the donation sheet. You will save out $4 and make your final price for this just $3.39. Now, if you want to go ahead and pick up 2 of them, you could pick up 2 for $14.79. Use a $1.50 printable for 1 of them, then use your $2 digital for the second one. Then if you can get 2 of those $2 donation coupons or type that number in twice, that will leave you to pay $7.29 for 2 packs or just $3.64 each. We definitely have a stock up price on detergent this week. If you are a fan of Arm & Hammer like I am, at my store these are priced at $5.99, but at your store the price may be a little bit different. So just make your scenario based on the pricing at your store. You want to get at least $20 worth based on your pricing before the buy one get one sale if your store is on the old Publix system, because when we spend $20 worth, we're going to save $5 with this coupon. So I'm going to pick up 4 of them to reach that $20 mark. So 4 of these is going to total us up to $23.96. We're only going to pay half of that after the sale. Then we'll save $5 with that 5 off of 20 digital coupon. When we divide that up by 4, that makes these $1.74 per bottle. And if you don't want detergent, you can also pick up $20 worth of these other items, or you can mix and match these items with the detergent. So we have the scent beads that are $6.49, and then we also have the dryer sheets that are $4.99. If you need those, you can mix and match those as an alternate to your scenario. I need detergent this week, so I'm just going to focus on that. This next deal I'm doing is a glitch, so I'm not telling you to do this deal, I'm just showing you what I did. So these are $1, but I saw on Facebook that they're attaching to this offer right here. They won't scan and attach to the offer, but when you purchase them and upload your receipt to Ibotta, it does give credit for this offer, turning each one of these into a 25-cent moneymaker. So here's a little deal I'm doing. I'm going to grab 1 of the Brawny. We're going to get 4 of the detergent, and then I'm going to get 5 of the Lindt chocolate. Let me show you how this works out for me. So here's my receipt for that first transaction. I got the Brawny, I got the 5 Lindt chocolates, and I got the 4 detergents. After my coupons came off, I paid out $13.72, but I got back $6.95 from Ibotta. That Lindt turned out to be a nice little money maker because I also got a 50-cent Lindt bonus. So that made all of those items that we got, paper towels, laundry detergent, and the chocolate, was $6.77. Next that we're grabbing is these Persil. You could get the liquid, but the Persil packs are a little bit cheaper, so that's what I'm going to grab today. Because I live in half BOGO, which means a state other than Florida, I only need to buy 1 of these to get the buy one get one price. So I'm just going to pick up 1 for $7.49. I'll submit back over to Ibotta for $4 back. That'll make this big container of Persil just $3.49. And we got a little glitch action with this Persil. This actually attached to the $5 Ibotta rebates, what actually made this $2.49 when I submitted my receipt. I made a blog post this morning about a free $5 grocery offer from Coors Light that is back. This offer comes every now and again, but when it comes, you want to jump on it if you haven't already. It is a limit of 1 per household, but with this offer, all you have to do is buy $5 or more in groceries and then submit your receipt over, and you can qualify to get a $5 prepaid card sent to you via mail. So they used to offer a digital card for this offer, but this time around it is sending a physical card in the mail. But you can't complain about a free $5 to help towards your grocery costs. So if you are shopping this week, just go on my blog for all of the details on this and get your free $5 that can help pay for some of these items. Next, we got a really good deal on Oscar Mayer bacon. I've been holding this 5 off of 20 Oscar Mayer coupon for when this deal was going to come. So I'm going to pick up 3 packages of bacon, but if you live in Florida, chances are your price is over $10 a pack. So you will only need to pick up 2, which is good because that's going to be an even number. So if you have, let's say it's priced at $10.33 a pack, you would pick up 2 and that would be $20.66. And of course your store does have to be on the old system. You would only pay half of that because of the sale, and then you'd save $5 with that 5 off of 20 coupon. So it'd make your 2 packs of bacon $5.33 or $2.66 each. Now for me and Half BOGO, I have to pick up 3 since they're priced at $9.33 each. So I am going to pay half of that after the sale. It'll be $13.99. Minus that $5 coupon, it is going to be $8.99 for 3 packs. When we divide that up, that is $2.99 a pack. So here is a deal idea I'm going to do. I'm just going to get this Persil tub and then we're going to get 3 packs of the bacon. Let me show you my receipt. So here's the receipt for that transaction with the Persil plus the 3 Oscar Mayer bacons. So I paid out $14.48 after my coupons, but then I submitted over for that free $5 for groceries. That already brought me down to $9.48, and then I also got that $5 back from the Persil. So that made that transaction with the 3 bacon plus my Persil only $4.48. My sis Coupon with T told me that these Frosted Lemon Cheerios are good, so we're going to grab these this week since they're back on sale for buy one, get one. I'm going to go on ahead and pick up 2 boxes, so that'll be $4.99 for the 2 boxes, and then we are going to be submitting over to 2 different rebate apps, and we have a digital coupon. So the cost for 2 boxes is $4.99. We're going to use our $1 off of 2 digital coupon. That'll bring us down to $3.99. Check your Ibotta app to see what rebate you have. I have 75 cents back on each one of these, so I'm going to save $1.50 with Ibotta, and then you want to check Fetch Rewards to see what rebates you have for GM cereals. I have $1.30 back on too, so I am going to also get $1.30 back from Fetch. It's going to make final cost $1.19 for these. When we divide that up, these are going to be 59 cents per box. My store is out of the Brawny Kitten Chow that's buy one get one for $7.49, so I'm not going to be grabbing this deal, but these are buy one get one, and we have this $5.50 off of 2. If you can grab the Kitten Chow that was over here, that'll make final cost $1.99 for 2 of these, or 99 cents per bag. This week the Ballpark Franks are buy one get one for $4.50, and we have this 2 off of 2 digital coupon. So when you pick up 2, your final cost is going to be just $2.50 or $1.25 a pack. Looks like Publix is paying with the price, because these were priced at $4.12. Now they're $4.50 for the buy one get one sale. You gotta love that. But this week Kraft condiments are buy one and get one, and a lot of different sizes and varieties are included. So you can grab the tomato ketchup, the Heinz. You could also grab the Heinz mustard down here. You could also grab some of the Kraft mayo or the Miracle Whip. Just mix and match how you prefer. But in Florida, remember that you need to buy your items in even numbers. If you live in any other state other than Florida, then you can buy your items in odd numbers just to reach the $15 mark for this 3 off of 15 coupon. Now what I would do personally is I would pick up 4 of the 14-ounce bottles that are buy one get one for $2.99, and then 1 of the 18-ounce bottles that are buy one get one for $3.79. Make sure, of course, that you're on an old system store. So the difference between old system and new system, really the only way to tell is how your register looks. If your register looks like this, you are on the old system still. If your register looks like this, you are on the new system, and you would need to get to the $15 mark after the buy one get one sale. Since we're on the old system, that $15.75 before the sale is going to be enough. We're only going to pay half of that because of the sale. Minus that $3 digital coupon at the register, I'm going to have to pay out $4.87 for 5 of these. When I divide that up, That's going to make these 97 cents each. Bertolli pasta sauce is buy one, get one for $3.29, and we have a 75-cent digital coupon. So if you live in Florida and need to pick up 2, you would save 75 cents with that coupon, and your final cost would be $2.54 for 2. That would make them $1.27 each. Now, I live in a half BOGO state, which means I can just pick up 1, so that's what I'm going to do since that is the cheapest option. So 164 minus that 75-cent digital coupon, it'll be 89 cents for 1 jar, and that is a great price. If you need baby food, a lot of the plant-based and organic Gerber food is on clearance at my store. So these are marked down, like these are normally $4.19, they're marked down to $1.67. I have $1.50 back on 3 on Ibotta, so that would make these $1.17 a pack, which is not bad. One of my favorite deals this week is actually on the Ocean Spray. These are not buy one get one, but they are on sale 2 for $7, and we have 2 different offers that we can submit back for. So I'm going to pick up a total, I might pick up 4 of these. You could either do 2 or you could get 4 to max out the deal, but these are 2 for $7. If you just grab 2, you can submit over to Swag Bucks for $2.50. Then you can submit over to Checkout 51 for $1.80. That'll make final cost on these just $2.70 for 2 bottles, or $1.35 each. And then in this next transaction, I'm going to get my 4 Ocean Sprays and the 2 cereals. And if you're wondering why I'm splitting up my transactions like this week, it's because I have some perk coupons for 2 off of 10, and I want to make the most of those, so I have to do those 1 per account. So for this transaction, after my coupons, I paid out $15.99 because we only have the $1 digital for the General Mills. I submitted over to Checkout 51 and I submitted over to Swag Bucks. Swag Bucks did not pick up this juice automatically. I did have to submit that from review, but we will get back $5 from Swag Bucks. We will get back $3.60 from Checkout 51. I also got back $3.32 from Fetch Rewards because I got some surprise money for the Ocean Spray. I didn't realize that I had an offer there for 80 cents back when I spend 5. So those Ocean Sprays are actually just 95 cents a piece after that Fetch offer was factored in. And then we also got back $2.50 from Ibotta. That made everything for that transaction just $1.57. The Sara Lee bread is buy one, get one for $3.79. You could pick up 2 and then use 2 of these donation flyer coupons if you have them or can use them. That'll make final cost for 2 loaves of bread just $1.79 or 89 cents per loaf, which is a stock up price for sure. Galvani ricotta cheese is buy one, get one for $4.09. You could pick up 2 and use 2 of the $1 printable coupons from their website. That'll make final cost $2.09 for 2 of them, or $1.04 each. The Totino's pizza rolls are back buy one get one. If you still have all of these digital coupons that were available a couple weeks ago, I have them left on a couple of my accounts. You can grab a really good deal on these. If you just want to pick up 2 bags, they're buy one get one $5.99 in my location. After 2 of the $1 digital coupons, you would pay out $3.99 for 2 at the register, and then you can submit over to Fetch Rewards. Check and see what offer you have. I have $1.70 back. After that $1.70 back, final cost would be $2.30 for 2 bags, or $1.15 each. These Cleveland Kitchen pickles are also back buy one get one, and we do have a $2 Ibotta rebate that'll make final cost on these just 99 cents a piece when you pick up 2. So that is it for me for the best deals for Publix for this week. Let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found some deals helpful, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.